everyone, come on inside. It's Slade on Slade, let's enjoy the ride. Action figure stories, worlds untold, from brand new releases to classics of old. Unbox the legends, hear the tales, heroes, monsters, epic scales. From the shelf to the written page, adventure comes alive on every stage.
I am Adam, Prince of Eternia, defender of the secrets of Castle Grayskull. This is Cringer, my fearless friend. Fabulous. By the power of Grayskull!
I have the power!
Welcome to Slade on Slade. Today we're doing 1/12 scale Mondo Skeletor timed edition. Now, of course, you can't do Skeletor without putting him in front of Snake Mountain. Maybe Castle Grayskull up there. Maybe all that, but that's a different video. This is Skeletor. Let's get into him.
He-Man to get him. Play with it here. I'm tired of... I wonder if there's something to play with in here. I'm tired of playing alone.
First, I'd like to start off by showing you the accessories they come with. You have your standard Havoc Staff. Then you have your flaming, powered up magic Havoc Staff. You have both sides of the swords that connect. Then you have open grabby hands. Then you have fisted hands. 1, 2, 3 of 4 heads. 4th head is on Skeletor. You have 2 articulated jaws, 2 non-articulated jaws. If it looks like this on the inside, it doesn't articulate. If it has that on the inside, it will articulate. This face and the sad face are the ones, this one and this one is the ones that articulate. The sad face and this one, 0 articulation, which isn't bad. As you can see, I have the gas mask on his face. It clips in. It's best to take the mask and clip it on the face before you put it in, because you're going to have kind of a problem moving the head of this figure in and out. These Havoc Staffs are absolutely gorgeous. I would be careful though. Don't let these drop. This feels thin here. It feels breakably thin, and I could be 100% wrong, but let's see if we can get these in real nice. Yeah, the sculpts on these are absolutely diabolical. Very pointy. I normally let my 7-year-old touch on some of the figures, and I'll let him play with Skeletor, but I'm not gonna go ahead and let him play with these or the swords, because they got that kind of, you know the sound I'm talking about. Whoops. Havoc Staff. The sword plugs together just like that. Boop. Stays together really nice. Like that a lot. All right, let's move on to Skeletor himself.
Who's there?
Just an old friend.
Skeletor! How did you get in?
I tried to keep the video simple and hopefully under 15 minutes. So his hands come off easy, but not in a bad way. I was just manhandling it right there. He could hit the T pose and he could hit the Y pose. I got a lot of photos showing him the poses he could be in, and these are really good. This cape is great. Look at this cape. This is crazy big. The pictures on the website really don't do this figure justice whatsoever. I have him on his sad boy face. Come on, my guy. As my friends in Massachusetts say, Ked, what are you doing? There you go. This mask has to be put on before you put the skull in because it clips in right there. When it clips in, it's going to stay in. You'll drop this figure and he won't pop off. There's your sad boy face. Look at the detail on that. Although if I could have changed anything on this figure, anything at all, I would have made these full heads and not something that clipped in because this peg is set it's recessed so far back that you have to really go in and gotta, you know what I'm saying? And I'm a guy, I don't bite my nails, but even getting my fingernails in there to pull it out, because you don't pull it out from here, you got to pull it out from up there. So it's a bit of a pain in the ass, but I don't want to complain. Like I said, this figure is too nice. I got to say, it's probably my favorite Skeletor. So for the sake of the rest of the video, we're going to go with your 2003 skull. There we go. Now, see how easy it went in? It just went in easy. If I go to pull that out, I'm going to look like an idiot on camera because I'm not going to be able to really grab it very well. It would have been nice if the mask could clip in, grab, and then pull out. But you don't want to scrape the paint. So when my wife Leslie tried to go in, I'm like, you have acrylic nails. You have a greater chance at scraping the paint than I do. So now we're going to go on to showing you a little ins and out of the video, and then the rest of the video will just be me talking over still shots.
Sweeping through like a broom. Now we're cooking.
So here we go, we got the cape off. Like I said, this cape is really, really nice, multi-layered, bendy wire all the way around. The entire thing is bendy wire, even these. This is nice. Oh wait, I just noticed these three are not. These two on the end are. Okay, my bad, yo. I will say, I do have another minor issue. Getting these straps in, when they plug in, but then they can pop out real easy because the plastic is so very soft. His upper torso is, see that right there? You could push it in. So it's his chest, his back, you can push it in. But this pops off relatively easy. So I put this one in, slip the arm over, the whole 9 yards. When it came to that, you could put the sword on the back if you want. It is open, okay? It's not meant to be together like that. I'm not 100% sure. I really do think this is probably more for the Havoc Staff, but I don't, you know, in retrospect, I wouldn't trust the weight of it right there because, you know what I'm saying, you got to topple over unless you're going to go like that. Then he's just going to be peeking over his shoulder. There we go. No, I'm not really feeling that at all. The material he's made out of just feels great. If you own the Clawful or He-Man, you're gonna know exactly what I mean by he's got a very particular tactile feel. Nice little base. I like that a lot. Although I gotta say, Clawful's got the best base so far. I mean, for the special version of Skeletor, I figured his base would have been, honestly, I figured it would have been the Bone Throne, but if you think about it, why wouldn't Mondo go ahead and build that on its own as its own, I wouldn't say figure, you know, throw in a smaller figure. Oh, Baby Panther would be great or something like that. But he's buttery smooth, single jointed elbow, double jointed knees. Wait, is that double jointed? Yes, double jointed knee, that's right. Yeah, sorry, too many figures in one day. He does have a furry loincloth down here. And that's pretty much it. Anything else, I'm going to be just wasting your time. I mean, you're going to get this guy in Van Damme poses. I mean, this is the body and the way they made it. You could put him in kickboxing poses. It's just absolutely phenomenal. He really does look good. I mean, the only other thing, you know, if he's got like drop down shoulders slightly, but what would have been nice if he had butterfly joints, so if he could have crossed his arms, that would have been really good. I would have liked that a lot. But other than that, I don't really have any complaints. I mean, if the face being too tight inside the hood is a complaint, then I guess I don't really have a complaint. That's pretty much it. He does come with it one large round base. Nobody's going to use it though. It's going to take up too much space, and it's not as pretty as this one right here. So the rest will just be me showing you videos. Like I said, I did not want to waste the time. I want this to be as enjoyable as possible, and I'm going to show this real quick, even though it's cluttered. This is my He-Man diorama, inspired by Mr. Home Arcade. Got birds up there, got some crows just flying around. Look at them go, huh? For those that don't recognize these tiles, these are HeroScape tiles from a game way back in the day. HeroScape used to be a fun game. So that is it. But I'm going to do a whole video just on the diorama and, you know, basically what it took to put it together. But I wanted to be able to show this off because I was excited. We got Buzz Off up here. Buzz Off was my very first figure ever in life, and he had no wings. So my very first and one of my only toys as a child was Buzz Off with no wings. But hey, even without wings, he taught me how to fly. Had a good career in the military. I'm a well-to-do novelist. Got a couple of bestsellers under my belt, and I really can't complain. So life is good. So a little cluttery though, but it's still good though. So we're going to move on to the next portion, and I'm not going to bore you any longer. Thank you very much. And away we go. So here we're going to look at the base. We're going to look at some skulls, the Havoc Staff, the sword that comes in two pieces, this really beautiful cape. We're going to look at some dramatic poses. And I'm going to bore you with the rest. I mean, most of you know from the photos what it's coming out with. But overall, this is, if you're a Skeletor fan and you got the extra disposable cash, this is definitely a must-buy. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you to the new people. Thank you to the older people. You guys are really helping us. Remember, the rising tide lifts all ships. And in this video, we're going to premiere our brand new AI song.
Welcome everyone, come on inside. It's Slade on Slade, let's enjoy the ride. Action figure stories, worlds untold, from brand new releases to classics of old. Unbox the legends, hear the tales, heroes, monsters, epic scales. From the shelf to the written page, adventure comes alive on every stage. Slade on Slade, where the stories never fade. Figures, books, reviews you'll love, imagination fits like a glove. Slade on Slade, collect, create, celebrate. Every toy and every page. Welcome to Slade on Slade. So grab your favorite figure, open a great book, and let's get started. This is Slade on Slade. Welcome everyone, come on inside. It's Slade on Slade, let's enjoy the ride. Action figure stories, worlds untold, from brand new releases to classics of old. Unbox the legends, hear the tales, heroes, monsters, epic scales. From the shelf to the written page, adventure comes alive on every stage. Slade on Slade, where the stories never fade. Figures, books, reviews you'll love, imagination fits like a glove. Slade on Slade, collect, create, celebrate. Every toy and every page. Welcome to Slade on Slade. So grab your favorite figure, open a great book, and let's get started. This is Slade on Slade. figure, open a great book, and let's get started. This is Slade on Slade on Slade. Slade on Tide! Welcome everyone, come on inside. It's Slade on Slade, let's enjoy the ride. Action figure stories, worlds untold, from brand new releases to classics of old. Unbox the legends, hear the tales, heroes, monsters, epic scales. From the shelf to the written page, adventure comes alive on every stage. Slade on Slade, where the stories never fade. Figures, books, reviews you'll love, imagination fits like a glove. Slade on Slade, collect, create, celebrate, every toy and every page. Welcome to Slade on Slade. So grab your favorite figure, open a great book, and let's get started. This is Slade on Slade. So grab your favorite figure, open a great book, and let's get started. This is Slade